Muscle strength. Cycling engages various muscle groups, particularly the legs and core, leading to improved muscle tone and strength. Weight management. Cycling is an effective way to burn calories and can aid in weight control or loss. Joint-friendly. It is a low-impact exercise, reducing stress on joints compared to activities like running. Mental well-being, stress reduction. Physical activity like cycling releases endorphins, which can help reduce stress and improve overall mood. Mental clarity. Riding a bike outdoors can provide a sense of freedom and tranquility, enhancing mental clarity. Environmental benefits. Reduced emissions. Bicycles produce no emissions, making them an eco-friendly mode of transportation and reducing air pollution. Less congestion. Cycling reduces traffic congestion, which can lead to reduced fuel consumption and time wasted in traffic jams. Economic advantages. Cost-effective. Owning and maintaining a bicycle is much more affordable than a car, including lower upfront costs, fuel, and maintenance expenses. Reduced healthcare costs. Regular cycling can lower the risk of chronic diseases, potentially reducing healthcare costs. Social benefits. Bicycles are one of the most energy-efficient modes of transportation, requiring far less energy per mile traveled compared to cars or public transit. Reduced traffic congestion. More people cycling means fewer cars on the road, reducing traffic congestion and commute times for everyone. Encourages people to incorporate physical activity into their daily routines, reducing sedentary lifestyles. Improved air quality. Reduced car usage and emissions from cycling can contribute to better air quality and public health. Fun and enjoyment. Cycling can be a source of fun and enjoyment, providing opportunities for exploration and adventure. Improved urban planning. Cities that prioritize cycling infrastructure often see benefits such as reduced pollution, increased tourism, and improved overall quality of life. It's important to note that the benefits of cycling can vary depending on factors like the intensity and duration of the activity, the individual's fitness level, and the local environment and infrastructure. Nonetheless, incorporating cycling into your lifestyle can have numerous positive effects on your health, the environment, and the community.